Can you solve all these Class 3 Maths Chapter 10 Play with Patterns questions? 6, 8? Strong choice. 10, 12, 14 is the right answer. Dash. Valid point. 250 is true. 1521 dash. Nice selection. 27 is the correct and valid answer. 864 dash. Perfect. 2 is the correct choice. We 3 then chen x dash. Well done. 400 W is the right choice. A CEG, this is a right choice. Alphabet pattern is the best answer. C24 D23 dash. Clear logic. Your choice E22 is sound and 100% true. FF no dash. Smart pick. Chris is the correct choice. 10, 14, 18 right next to. Correct. 22, 26 is the right answer. Odd number never ends with. On track, 6 is the correct answer. A number ends with 0 is an excellent choice. Even number is the right answer. If A equal to 1, B equal to 2, C equal to 3, then Y equal to. Great thinking. 25 is the right choice, which is a 3-digit odd number. Smart move. 679 is an accurate answer. 1525 dash dash a dash. Bravo. 30, 35, 40 is the answer. This is a excellent. Repeating pattern is a brilliant choice. Complete the pattern 8, 18, 28, 38 dash. Well picked. 48 is the correct answer. Complete the pattern 0.5, 10, 15, 20 dash. Sharp thinking. 25 is the right choice. Who will come first in alphabetical order? You're right. Lila is the correct answer. Complete the pattern for 9, 13, 18, 22 dash. Great job. 27 is the accurate answer, which is an example of a repeating pattern. Right again. 122, 12 is a valid answer. What is the pattern growing by 23, 28, 33, 38? Well reasoned. +5 is the correct choice. Complete the number pattern 2, 4, 8, 16 dash. Exactly. 32 makes sense and it is right choice. Which of the followings is not an even number? You chose 7, and it is correct. Which of the following is in alphabetical order? Correct response. Chanda, David, Ina, Faze is the most accurate answer. What is the rule for the pattern? 32, 40, 48, 56. Solid response. Add 8 is a valid choice. What number should come next? 15, 17, 19, 21 dash. Good job. Your answer 23 works well here. What is the pattern growing by 30, 40, 50, 60, 70? You got it. Your choice +10 is right. Find the rule the pattern is using 4, 48, 112, 28, 7. Nice work. You chose divide 4 and it is correct. How many odd numbers are there between 400 and 420? Good thinking. 10 is the right answer.
How many even numbers are there between 155 and 1C5?
Nicely done. 5 is a solid answer. What is the fourth number in this pattern? 47, 53, 59. Clear logic. Your choice 65 is sound and 100% true.
How would you describe this pattern's rule 161161?
Right choice. Subtract 5 is the best answer.
If we add an odd number with an even number, we will get. Nicely done. An odd number is a solid answer. If you mix two or more than two patterns, then you will get.
Bravo. Mixed pattern is the answer.
What are these numbers skip counting by 90, 80, 70, 60, 50?
You chose 10, and it is correct. What number comes next in the pattern? 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 dash.
On track. 90 is the correct answer. What is the pattern of the following numbers 32, 30, 28, 26, 24?
Good thinking. Growing is the right answer. What rule is being used in the pattern below? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Perfect. Add 2 is the correct choice. There are dash odd numbers in between 1 to 100th. Sharp thinking. 49 is the right choice.
The shapes, pictures, numbers, and letters used in a pattern are called.
Smart pick. Both blocks and motifs is the correct choice.
What number comes next in the pattern? 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40 dash? Well done.
44 is the right choice.
What are the missing numbers in the pattern? 34 dash of 42, 46 dash 54.
Nice selection. 3850 is the correct and valid answer.
What is the message hidden in the code below? For Zolz's Sears Scars?
Excellent. Follow the birds is a brilliant choice.
Using colors and shapes. Draw your own growing pattern. Were you able to complete this activity?
Great job. Yes is the accurate answer. Look at the number pattern below. What should the next three numbers be? 95, 73, 83, 61, 71 dash dash dash.
Valid point 5937 is true. Sri sees the number pattern shown below. 36, 47, 39, 50, 42 dash. What should he do to find the next number? Correct response.
Add 11 is the most accurate answer.
Which of the following numbers will be present in the pattern below? 86, 75, 64, 53 dash 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 dash.
You're right. 20 is the correct answer.
Look carefully at the number pattern below. 48, 49, 54 dash 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 69, 76, which two numbers are missing?
Exactly, 58 and 63 makes sense and it is right choice. Choose the correct option. Strong choice. 564, 364 is the right answer. Find the rule for the table. Great thinking. Multiply by 4 is the right choice.
Which of the following is not a pattern?
Smart move. 3 is an accurate answer. How many circles would be in picture 5? Nice work. You chose 15 circles and it is correct.
Based on the rate of change, how many circles would come next?
Good job. Your answer 9 works well here. Latisha is making a circular rangoli pattern outside her house. What color should the next circle outside the yellow circle be? Excellent choice. Green is the right answer. How you will get all these quiz questions in PDF books format. Well reasoned. Contact Narayan Changder on Facebook is the correct choice.